A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. So today we are going to part 2 of the story about the man with born blind, with Jesus make get better. If you didn't miss part 1, I beg you go back to the channel and find it and watch it, because you don't want to watch part 2 before you watch part 1. And while you did it, just stop and press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss no more of what I go on. Right, yes, so. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 9 from verse 13 to verse 34. So, them take the man with the blind, carry go the Pharisee them. No, upon the Sabbath, Jesus did take mud and make the man get fi see. So the Pharisee them asked the man, how come him get fi can see? The man tell them say, him put mud pa me eye them, and me go wash off my face, and now me can see. Then some of the Pharisee them say, the man will do that sitting and no come from God, because he no keep the Sabbath. But some other people ask, but how sinner man fi do them powerful miracle here? So all of them agree with them one another. Then turn to the man with the blind one next time and ask him say, a few of them, he may get better. What you have to say about him? So the man said to them, say, him a one prophet. The Jew leader them still name believe. So the man did blind for true and could have seen now. So they sent for mother and father. A phone boy picnic this year, when you say born blind, they ask him mother and father. Then tell we how come him get fi can see now. We know say him a fi we picnic, the man mother and father say. And we know say him the born blind. But we don't know how come him get fi can see now. We don't know how make him better. We don't ask him a big man. Him will talk for himself. The man mother and father said so. Through them did afraid of the Jew leader them. Because the leader them did don't make up their minds. Say anybody will believe and say that Jesus are the Christ would have get put out at the Jew them church. And that make him mother and father say, him a big man. You know, ask him. So the Jew leader them call the man with the blind one more time. Talk the truth and shame the devil. Them say, we know say the man will make you get better as sinner man. But him say to them, say, sinner or no sinner. Me no know him a which one of them. One thing me know, say that me did blind and now me can see. Then them ask him say, what him do to you? How him make you get we can see? But the man answer them and say, me tell you already, and you no listen. When me could want hear one another time, I turn you want turn him follower them too. Then they start cut him off and say, are you him follower? A Moses we follow. We know say God talk to Moses, but the man you are talk about, we don't even know which part he come from. So hear the man to them. But what a piece of something. He make me can see, but same time, we don't know which part he come from. We know say God no listen to people who are sinner. Him listen to them who respect him and do him say. From the time the world make, nobody may hear about somebody we born blind and we get we can see. After that, if the man name come from God, he couldn't do one thing. When them hear that, them say to him, say, you're full of a sin from your born. Who you think you be if you try to teach with nothing? And then kick him out of the Jew them church. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.